at my bedside.
Pardon me. Oh, shucks.
Some 17 shit, yeah. Yo, okay. Get the fuck up. I can never stand this key. I hate it, having to believe it, but this life does not have a meaning. If you it depends on your will and shit. No point in concealing, so you might as well be real with me. I need a little bit of money. My rain needs a little bit of sun. My lip needs a little bit of dummy. This cup needs a little bit of rummy. Crossed out, I can feel it in my tummy. Show love, but I'll never be a hubby. No, I'm never splitting shit. I work too hard to part with it. Don't relax because you shouldn't have the time to. Still roll, flip down, take a quick dip like it's fondue. Lip slip, Snapchats coming in. I'm legit with sending them. I'm trying to write my shit. Real shit, Friday was fun. Should all do it again. Spend less time with your friends. Have more time in my bed. Let me inside your head. Are you without the meds? Are you without the dread? Without the dread. I could never be what you wanted me to. I respect myself too much to fall through, cause I couldn't see what you wanted me to. You couldn't tell me like the rest of the dudes. This facade is a light, it's at best. Independent till the day I rest. But don't worry, baby, cause we cool for now. We cool for now. Call it, sit again, listen, lesson, force vision. I have a life and living. We cool for now. We cool for now. Call it, sit again, listen, lessons, force vision. I have a life and living. Remember I was outside of the Phoenix. First venue, I couldn't believe it. Big brother throw me up so I could crowd surf. Right there, music changed me in a weekend. 2 summers I was sweating through the V-neck. Long road ahead, but I never seem to see it. Auto-tune epiphanies, hard to flex a nice voice when you coming out the same city as the weekend. Taking out lows for the drum pads, I'ma pay it off and I run it right back so fast. Buying beats all night for the scrap, real shit, do the math. 20 beats make 3 tracks, that's about 17 for the track. Why the 3 of those never really snap. some real shit. With the corn and the peas, you can smell it. Everybody got a homie with a bad tie. You either help them out or you are on some snake shit. When you not a real one,
almost
you ain't
died.
gotta face it. Though the whole damn crew never said shit. But the whole damn crew gonna dip step. The situation in the favor of the real friends. Are the real friends. You can feel the realness.
Fuck, I gotta get my
Everything
ass
they say,
home.
hit the feelings. They know your family and the building you grew up in. All the day ones, all the cousins. You ain't gonna say nothing, you a disappointment. Had a real great group and you soiled it. Had a real great bond and you showed me what's real.
Well, I was gonna give you guys a tour of the hills, but fuck me, I almost fucking had a head-on collision back over there. Fuck. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's gonna have to wait until tomorrow. Oh, shit. I forgot to get toothpaste. No mail. Fuck, I forgot to get toothpaste. I hope I have toothpaste somewhere at home. Because my last tube just exploded. Words are hard. My last tube just exploded on me. I'll unload everything and head on back to a store if I have to. Oh, fuck. I almost died. Oh my god. I'm still having a bit of a heart attack from earlier. Where is my ladder? Oh, look at that. Neighbor stole my ladder again. This is mine. Quit storing it over here when I need it. Oh, sweet Jesus Christ. Actually, both of them are mine. She claimed the other one. Well, might as well get what's important out of the way first. Should have grabbed my gloves for this. Then good idea. No, I'd be digging my own ladder out in the snow. Oh, sweet Christ. Thing's giving me a headache. Yeah, if that headband doesn't arrive by Friday, I'll just buy a strap from Fred Meyer's and just hope the GoPro one will fit this one. Because this hat is starting to hurt my head. Sweet Jesus Christ. Should have grabbed my water while I was in there. Oh well. What are you going to do about it, Tony? What are you going to do about it? Come on, meow. Yeah, that is definitely low. I'm going to be getting another 5 gallons tomorrow. I might as well grab the water next. Ah, sweet Christ. Yeah, this hat is giving me a headache. Definitely going to be grabbing that strap. I should have grabbed it when I was at Fred Meyer's. Here's the part I hate most about this car. Previous owner put a blue LED in the dome lights. And I hate it. Can't see shit this thing. Please tell me you're still recording. I don't think it matters much at all. Come on, Tony, get everything in at once. Don't want to make a second trip. Now, do ya? Are you going back to the store anyway, town? Don't want to be going down to a gas station now, do ya? Spend another 10 minutes driving away from home? I should have made a mental note to grab myself more toothpaste. Shoot, stores are going to be closed tomorrow too. I really need to brush my teeth. sweet sack. Now I can kind of relax for the weekend. Kind of relax. I'm gonna go grab toothpaste if I don't have any. Otherwise, my mouth is gonna feel dirty and nasty until Friday. Welcome to being 23, Tony. Welcome to being 23. Oh God, it sucks up here.